Good morning, students. Once again, I welcome you to my video lectures on signals and systems. So today I have to proceed with difference equations. And before going into that, I want to make a clarification with regard to my earlier classes. That is class number 70, 71 and 72. In these classes, I have worked out problems on differential equations under the heading forced response. So one clarification I am making. In these classes, problems under forced response, that is differential equations, are worked out. Make one correction. So you have to make one correction. Instead of YF, you use YP. P stands for particular solution. I have mentioned particular solution, the term, but at the time of writing, I have not written that. Instead, I have written F. So change F to P because it is called particular solution. Now, what is forced response? Forced response means it is summation of natural response and particular solution. So we have to take, one thing I will also remind you, in differential calculus also you have found out in the same manner, Yc plus Yp. Yc stands for complementary part, that is natural response. Yp stands for particular solution. So if you have to write forced response, add Yn with Yp. See, I have not worked out on Yn. In these problems, I have not worked out on Yn. So you separately find Yn and add it to Yp. So after adding Yn with Yp, take zero initial conditions, because forced response is also called as zero state response. State means it stands for initial state. So zero initial conditions, that is y of 0 is equal to 0 and dy by dt at t equal to 0 is also 0. So what you are expected to do is separately you find Yn and add it to Yp and then evaluate the arbitrary constants using zero initial conditions. So thank you. Now I will continue with forced response for difference equations. Find forced response given y of n minus 2 by 5 y of n minus 1 equal to 2x of n, where x of n is equal to 2 times u of n. So first I will find the natural response, because at the time of writing the forced response, I require natural response. Therefore first I will find the natural response. Therefore y of n, lambda to the power of n minus 2 by 5 lambda to the power of n minus 1 equal to 0, because 0 input conditions. Next, take out lambda to the power of n minus 1 outside. We get lambda n by lambda to the power of n minus 1 minus 2 by 5 equal to 0. Then this is 0 because this comes under 0. Next, if you simplify this, it becomes lambda minus 2 by 5 equal to 0. Therefore lambda equal to 2 by 5. Therefore what is natural response? The natural response is to constant k, k1, 2 by 5 to the power of n. 2 by 5 to the power of n. So this is natural response. Now we have to find particular solution. Particular solution is this. If the input is of the form of a constant, then the particular solution is also of the form another constant k. See here in this problem, x of n is 2 times un. Actually 2 is a constant. It is a constant and it is multiplied with u of n. That's all. Here what you have to take is, here is constant is 2 and it is associated with un. What do you mean? simply if I write 2, that means it stands for 2 forever. But if I associate un with 2, it means that its value is 2 for n greater than or equal to 0. For n greater than or equal to 0, it is 2. Not for negative values of n. That is the meaning between simply 2 and 2 times u of n. Now here the particular solution is of the form k. Now I will write particular solution yp of n equal to k. It is 2 times un, therefore k un. So this is to be substituted here. Y p of n minus 2 by 5 yp of n minus 1 equal to 2x of n. 2x of n. Now, what is yp of n? Yp of n is kun. Kun minus 2 by 5 yp of n minus 1. See, take yp of n, shift by 1 unit, because n minus 1 means shifting by 1 unit. Therefore, 2 by 5 ku of n minus 1 equal to 2. X of n is 2un. 2un. Now, I will take the value of n such that all the 3 terms must exist here. If I take n 1, then all the 3 terms exist. Un will 1, u of n minus 1, u of n, all will exist. For that you refer to my earlier classes. I have explained what is step function. So shifted step function, u of n is 1 for n greater than or equal to 0. What is u of n minus 1? U of n minus 1 means n minus 1 equal to 0. That is, for n greater than or equal to 1, its value is 1. So that is why I will take, and even if I take n equal to 1, 1 minus 1 means it is still positive, because whether n greater than or equal to 0, its value becomes 1. Therefore, in this equation, I will take n equal to 1. Then what happens? This becomes 1, this becomes 1, this becomes 1. Therefore, k minus 2 by 5k equal to 2. Solve for k. So take LCM, that is 3k equal to 10 or k equal to 10 by 3. 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 Therefore, the particular solution is 10 by 3. 10 by 3. Now, total solution, that is forced response, is given by y f of n is equal to y n of n plus y p of n. That is k1 2 by 5 to the power of n plus 10 by 3. Therefore, put n equal to 0, because one and only arbitrary constant is k1. Put n equal to 0. Then y equal to 0, because forced response is calculated for 0 initial conditions. Therefore, put n equal to 0, y equal to 0. Therefore, 0 is equal to k1 2 by 5 to the power of 0 plus 10 by 3. Therefore, 2 by 5 to the power of 0 means 1. Therefore, what is k? K1 equals minus 10 by 3. K1 equals minus 10 by 3. Therefore, forced response is given by minus 10 by 3 minus 10 by 3 2 by 5 to the power of n plus 10 by this is. Thank you.